Welcome to the Mitcham History Notes YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to have a look at the corner of St Mark's Road as it meets the Fair Green. And I'm going to start off with a photograph that was taken in 1975 by Eric Montague of the Merton Historical Society, and I'll put a link to this photograph in the description. We can see the Buck's Head pub. This was renamed the White Line of Mortimer in 1990 when J.D. Wetherspoon leased it from the freeholder, initially for a term of 50 years. However, it stopped being a spoon 6 years ago, in November 2018. The shop to the right of the pub, Mitcham car accessories, we can just see behind that traffic light. There's a bit of a zoom in there, and you can see just about a road name sign there, St Mark's Road. As I say, this was the beginning of St Mark's Road as it met the London Road at the Fair Green. Here's another photograph that Eric Montague took the same day that shows a bit more of this terrace of shops. Originally called York Place, the shops date back to the early 19th century, so they were there for almost 200 years. They were demolished as part of the pedestrianisation of the Fair Green, which led to two bypasses effectively. One from the London Road coming from Tooting went around the Fair Green, a new road called Holborn Way. And this part of St Mark's Road was rerouted around the back of the Buck's Head and into the London Road where Mitcham was. When this was demolished, a new set of buildings of shops and flats were put up, and the first tenant on the corner was McDonald's. We zoom in a bit, here we go. The McDonald's restaurant. They opened in 1988 and were there for 24 years and closed in September 2012. And what's there today? A Poundland. Now, I do understand that this whole area is going to be redeveloped for social housing by Clarion. So I'll have to make another video about that later on. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. That's it. Bye for now.